and put a semicolon there, and that'll end your code, which is basic for JavaScript.
For the average person, technical talk like end code and JavaScript are very unfamiliar terms. But for a group of students in Ranch View Middle School's Code Club, it's all part of their daily language.
You get to learn a lot of new and very, very powerful skills in the world of computer science. Some of those include just basic PHP and JavaScript. Others include very complicated Ruby and Python programming languages.
We've been doing databases so that we can store information for a directory so that you can look up school staff.
And for these digital natives, thriving in a 21st century learning environment is not only fun, but it's essential to their growth and success.
You can use it in anything. Whatever industry you go into, you can use it and it's a useful skill, because in the future a lot of things are going to be computer-based and you want to have the skills to be able to manipulate them.
I think the long-term benefits of joining a code club when you're in middle school is that you're building a strong foundation of computer science so that when you get to the high school level, they can launch on into AP computer science coursework and possibly go to college with some computer science credits.
I've always really liked computer science and computer programming more specifically, and when this club came out, I just felt that I had to go there.
Now it's mutual aided and nitrid.
With their efficiency and confidence in writing code, these students have entered the Verizon Innovative App Challenge. It's a national competition open to all middle and high school students. Last year, another group of Douglas County students from Rock Canyon High School were among the national winners for their Caring Hands application, which matched users with charity organizations.
Students are using computer science skills.
Working with math teacher Tiffany Vaughn, the teams of students will use STEM skills, knowledge, ingenuity, and creativity to develop and submit an original mobile app concept that addresses real needs or problems in their school or community.
I'm writing code to do a grade predictor so that you enter in your scores and how much they weigh, and what you do is once they're entered in, you click go and it'll give you what your grade is going to be and what you need to do to achieve a 4.
It really takes kids to the highest level of creativity. They have to think on a creative level. They have to release their artistic expression.
Immersing themselves in the Code Club has also helped them with the 4 C's and aids with their development in other classes as well.
They have to use evaluation, they have to use their judgment skills, along with their, of course, communication skills, and they do collaborate a lot in the process. They work with each other in teams.
It takes work. You have to be able to plan and manage your time well because it needs to get done. And you need to be able to do it in the amount of time that you're given.
It is estimated that in the next 10 to 15 years there will be 1.4 million computer science jobs to fill, with only 0.4 million people to fill them. With this in mind, it is inspiring a lot of students, even at this early stage, to set their sights on short-term goals like winning the app challenge to setting up a career.
I wanted to be a physicist, and you can use code to write programs to show you how things are going to work in space.
I think that I'm bound to do it. I really want to do this when I'm all grown up and out of college. This is definitely one of the career opportunities that I would look into.